do a double crochet. So here I have a chain of 10. So however long your chain is, you're going to chain 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Again, we're going to be working into the bumps on the back of the chain. So we're going to yarn over. We're going to go into the 4th chain from your hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to go into this one here. You're going to insert your hook into the bump on the back, yarn over, and pull through 1. You should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again. And this time you're going to pull through 2. You should have 2 loops on your hook now. And you're going to yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2. And that is a double crochet. From here, you're going to yarn over, and you're going to go into the next bump, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull through 1, yarn over again, pull through 2, and then yarn over one last time and pull through the remaining 2. You should have 3 double crochets. Yarn over, insert into your next bump, and then you're going to yarn over again, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. Alright, continue doing that until you get to the end, and I will meet you there. Alright, so I'm down to the last 2 bumps, last 2 stitches. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next bump, yarn over again, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. Do that one more time. The last one's always the trickiest. I don't have a whole lot to hold on to at the end. Pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through the remaining 2. Now that you're at the end, you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to turn your work. Once you have chained 3, you're going to go into the 5th from the hook, or the 2nd from the edge, so this one. So you're going to yarn over, insert into the stitch, and you're going to pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So I will show you how I got the 5th. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, this would be the 5th stitch, or 1, 2 from the edge. So again, yarn over, insert your hook. You should have the V-stitch on your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. You're gonna go into the next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. Every stitch should line up with the one below it. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. And I'll meet you back when we get to the end. Alright, so we're 3 stitches shy from being at the end. So you're going to yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. You're going to do that again, pull through, yarn over, don't mind that knot, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Now you have one more stitch you need to do, so yarn over. This one's a little tricky being on the end. Sometimes it's a little hard to get both strands, both sides of the stitch. There we go. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You should still have the same amount of stitches that you started with, in this case 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And like I said before, every stitch should line up with the one underneath of it. And that is how you do a double crochet. So to do your next row, you'll just do the same thing. You're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and go into the 5th stitch or the 2nd from the end. So you'd yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you'd continue doing that all the way to the end stitch right here.